Welcome to TechnoGo. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best electric bikes which will make your life much easier. It's much faster and cheaper to commute by bike than by car or public transport. This list has been put together after hours of research based on quality, price and reviews. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button if you want to support the channel. The Trek Pro Caliber is a semi-rigid mountain bike intended for cross-country. It is mounted around a 29-inch carbon semi-rigid frame which combines lightness, performance and dynamism. It also guarantees more comfort thanks to a vertical flexibility made possible with the ISOSpeed system located at the top tube and the seat post. You get a straight shot down tube for extra stiff responsive handling without added weight, and the knock block headset that protects against spinning bars and fork crowns. The upgraded fork gives you a remote lockout, a more plush spring, and a damper that gives you more control over the rough stuff. The transmission is entrusted to a Shimano group, a transmission that offers efficient shifting whatever the conditions. The 12-speed cassette offers a wide choice of development which allows it to be driven on all terrain profiles. The Shore One has evolved on the most unforgiving trails on the planet. It uses Narco's ride-aligned design system and the latest breakthrough in suspension and engineering to create the ultimate freeride and big obstacle bike. The elevated horse-link suspension design and integrated idler pulley provides grip and support on the world's most dangerous trails with minimal pedal kick when the drop is little harsher than you expected. The bike is designed specifically to be used with a coil shock with a progressive leverage curve. While you could technically fit an air shock, Narco says that the spring and damper won't allow the suspension to react the way it was designed. Most city commutes are less than 5 miles, but this one has an integrated 768 Wh battery pack, which is good to give 45 to 65 miles per charge. You'll cruise for days and days without charging it. It has massive 90 amplification protection board, high and low voltage, current regulators and temperature sensor. This also lets you use your e-bike for long duration without any problems. The X-Class has a special 750 watt hub motor. Outside looks the same, but inside everything is different than other hub motors. The motor nominal power is 750 watt, but it is designed to be able to provide 1500 watt motor when needed. Delfast Top 3 is an electric e-bike from an electric bike manufacturer from Ukraine. The company was founded in 2017 and has won a Guinness World Record for the greatest distance traveled on an electric bicycle on a single charge. It has a powerful 5000 watt electric motor with 180 Nm of torque for a speed of 50 miles per hour and fast acceleration. The moped has an innovative kinetic energy recovery system or regenerative braking system in which energy from braking is returned to the battery. It's also equipped with an innovative GPS-based security system with an immobilizer in the rear wheel and an alarm system with motion sensors. Moreover, it has dual front disc brakes and rear disc brakes for exceptional braking performance, a headlight with high and low beams, mirrors with built-in turn signals, USB charge ports, a mobile phone holder, and a color display that connects to a mobile phone app. The all-new Jeep e-bike is a full-suspension electric mountain bike geared towards exploring the far corners of the earth like never before. The Firelink suspension system is a true 4-bar linkage, providing the ultimate traction and capability, while 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes allow for maximum control on steep descents and hard-to-navigate terrain. Built on an impressive 26 by 4.8-inch fat tire platform, the Jeep e-bike is designed to easily tackle a variety of technical, off-road terrain including soft sand and snow, as well as hard-packed trails and rocks. The Jeep e-bike comes standard with the industry-leading UltraDrive 750-watt motor, or upgrade to the 1000-watt unrestricted motor kit, packing a powerful 1500 watt of peak performance and 160 Nm of torque, and is configurable as Class 1, 2 or 3 electric bike.